Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to Move Day. So this morning starts off with choices, and it starts with our site. We have a tree and we have a tree. We also have tree and now an RV right there. So we have to figure out what is the best way to leave this site. Do we go that way or do we go that way? This way is a much easier way out, but harder to get out of this site. This way is easy to get out of the site, but there is a turn this way that's a challenge. Let's go look at the challenging turn. So this is option one. This is the easy way out of our site, but the challenging turn we would have to navigate. So we would be coming this way, have to make a hard left turn right here. This is the way we came in, but it was a challenge. We were all up in that tree. Our tires barely missed the rocks right there, and the truck was all the way over there in that site trying to get around this corner. Plus they put that rock there. I don't want to go out this way. I think we could, but I think the other way is much easier. Let's go look at the other way. Maybe we should got one of these pull-throughs over here, and then we wouldn't have to worry about which way to leave. We would just pull straight out. So this is our second option. This is harder to get out of the site, but much easier to get out of the park. Long swooping driveway, and this is as tight as the turns get. So it's a much larger curve. So now we have choices. Do I take the easy way out of the site, but have a harder departure? Or do I figure out how to maneuver in the site to get out and come the other way for the easy departure? What do you think I should do? Which way would you go if you were driving? Oh yeah? Thanks for the help. So we're hooked up, and I've decided I would much rather go left for the easy way out than go right for the hard way out. The only problem is now there's an RV in the site in front of us, which we use that site to get in this site. Right. And this campground puts poles and trees at the corners. What kind of campground would do that? So anyway, what my plan is, you're gonna back me up until I almost hit this tree right here. Okay. And then I'm gonna swing wide and hopefully not be in that RV or this tree and go that way. All right. It may take 4 or 5 times, but I can see this. All you need to do is make sure I'm not hitting anything I don't see. Wish us luck. Okay, we're just gonna bring him back to not let him hit the trees. Swinging right. Get it away from this tree. Crazy to think these things can do like a 90-degree turn on themselves. Well, he made that look too easy. Good job, babe. For a train horn? Yeah. Say bye, Michigan. Bye. No, shoot. I got it wrong. Say bye, Ohio. Bye, Ohio. Bye, Ohio. Here comes Michigan. Do you know in the college football world, you just offended so many people between Ohio and Michigan? It's hard to remember where we are versus where we're going. That's like messing up Texas A&M and Texas. Actually, it might be worse than that. Bye-bye. Bye. You have got to be kidding me. It's a joke, but it's becoming a thing. It hasn't rained in like 7 days. But we hooked up, so now it's raining. You're welcome, Ohio. So it finally stopped raining. We are at a rest area near Sandusky, Ohio, about halfway through our drive for the day. So if you were in Ohio about 2 weeks ago and you got rained on, yeah, that was me. All right, break time's over. Time to hit the road. Welcome to Michigan.
Welcome.
Hey Phil, we made it. Did y'all know that Phil is not from Texas?
He's not.
He is not.
He's what do you call it? Michiganite?
Michiganite? That's probably not right.
A Michiganian?
A Michiganian?
What do you think it is? I don't know the answer.
I bet it's a Michiganian.
Michiganian? This can't be right. We're gonna have to call Phil.
Well, it's probably not Michiganite.
We'll let you know.
Y'all hear that? The goats came back, because that's how good the roads are in Michigan. What do you think about these roads?
Not impressed. This is really bumpy. Think it's gonna stay like this?
You can do better than that, Michigan. I know I told you we were going to Michigan, but welcome to Nebraska.
That's what I was just thinking. I'm having Nebraska flashbacks with all these cornfields.
Welcome to Indian Creek Campground. We're just outside Ann Arbor, Michigan. Really big site. And now for my favorite part. Auto level. That's how you know it's gonna work. Whenever it starts going back up, that means we're good to go. It's gonna finish its sequence. So let me come back here and make sure these are gonna go down on the blocks. As soon as we see them on the blocks, walk around the front side, make sure those jacks are gonna hit the blocks. And just like that, the rig is level. All right, before we hook these up, it's time for some maintenance. This water softener needs to be back flush, so we have our back flush adapter. All right, we let this run for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're on to the next step, which is regeneration. Don't you think that's cool? Is that cool? All right, that's done with. Now it's time to regenerate. Oh yeah, you excited about regeneration?
Yeah.
You are? Who wants to regenerate? Do you even know what we're doing? We know we're doing work, right?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna pour this whole thing of salt in the water softener. There you go. All right, Ashlyn, you think you can pick it up? Be careful, it's heavy. Oh man, look at that. All right, Caden, come over here. You wanna try, Caden? Come on, pick it up. Oh, look at you, one-handed. Woo! Oh, you gotta keep your hand on it if you want them to believe it. Come on, hold my hand. Here we go. Woo!
Now I'm going to find my daddy. There you are.
Hey y'all, so we just put salt in the water softener and now we have to flush it for 15 minutes and it makes a mess. So I've come up with a solution so I don't make a mess and I can still flush it. So there it is, it's running right there and I've angled it up so it goes right in the sewer. Now we let that run with that kind of stream for about 10-15 minutes and then you go to full stream for about 3 or 4 minutes. So while we flush the water softener, we need to change the filters in the R3.
This is the dirty and this is the clean. This is the dirty and this is the clean. This one's dirty and this one's clean.
You think we should change them?
Yes.
Now now we have new filters. Let's go check on the water softener. We've upgraded to full stream flushing on the water softener. We had to adjust the angle because we were overshooting the sewer, but here it goes. Almost done flushing.
Now we're done.
All right, maintenance is done and now our water is hooked up. If you're interested in the Blue Tech stainless steel lines, the R3 water filter, or the Blue Tech water softener, check the link in the description below. Go check them out, they're awesome. And if you're interested, you can save yourself some money using our discount code. Welcome to our site here at Indian Creek Campground, just outside Ann Arbor. We have an awesome end spot with a huge yard again and this giant tree. So we're all set up, but unfortunately, something is broken. Something didn't survive the move, and it's something that we can't live without. So we have to try to get it fixed tonight. First stop, Tractor Supply. They didn't have it. All right, we're at my favorite store. We're at the Blue Store. Don't let me down, Blue Store. I know you got to have it. All right, the Blue Store let me down. They didn't have it either. Since the Blue Store didn't have it, that means one thing. I have to go to the Orange Store. The Orange Store didn't have it either. There's one more place that may have it. We're at our last store. Hopefully they have it. Guess what? Walmart came through. Walmart has one. That's right, our main TV in the living room decided it didn't want to be a TV anymore. It lasted 4 years vibrating down the highway. Today when we got here, it didn't work no more. Well, good morning. So, I had every intention of showing you guys me installing the TV in the RV. But when I got back here, it was storming. It was storming bad. It actually rained for 2 days. Which is the reason we had to get a TV, because when you're stuck in an RV because it's raining, you can't live without a TV. But now that the rain is over, I want to show you guys where we're staying. So we're in Michigan, southern Michigan to be exact. And this is not what I thought Michigan would look like. Let me show you. There's corn everywhere. Welcome to southern Michigan, where there is entirely way more corn than I expected to be here. There's literally corn in every direction. And our RV park is right here in the middle of it all. So that's our RV site, and we're right here in the back by the dog park. Well, sort of dog park. It's just a field, but it's a dog park. Buddy, go. So Buddy is loving this, except for one thing. This fence right here, on that side of the fence, is a large amount of cows, and they come by all the time. Buddy doesn't know what to think about cows. I don't think he's ever seen cows. He also doesn't know what to think about all the smells right here. This dog will literally smell this entire fence, and he doesn't know what to do about it. And of course, our beautiful view of corn, corn, and more corn. I never expected Michigan to have so much farmland. As you can tell, we finally got out of the RV and we're ready to burn some E. Even Alicia's ready to get out.
I am.
Hey, come over here. Watch. Come and do this. This.
Wow, there is an awfully lot of things this way. Look at those 2 llamas, or alpacas. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey girls, you know what the kitty said? The kitty said, follow me. I have something super exciting to show you. It's all this corn. Come check out this corn. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Here comes Kitty. There goes Kitty. Have y'all seen how vocal Caden is? This is how he tells us there's something that he wants us to know about. Everything in the world is this right here. I think Caden wants you to know about something.
That's his language. He says mama, dada, and 24/7.
What is going on with this?
I'm not sure. I feel like it's been stretched out and it's got extra air in it. It's like taller than me if I go stand beside it.
That is the most ridiculously tall jumbo jumper I have ever seen. When I stand at the base, the top is taller than me.
Seems like a lot.
Like if Kayla got going, she's not gonna stop until she's
right.
smooth in the parking lot. What an awesome campground. It's hard to believe that this campground is in the middle of nowhere in all these cornfields here in southern Michigan. That's gonna do it for this video. We had a great time hanging out with you guys. Stay tuned because our next video, we're going on a very exciting adventure. At least for me, it's gonna be an epic adventure. Do y'all want a little hint about what we're doing next?